Down Savage Gang? It's your boy Bad Savage, aka 454 Savage, and I just want to give y'all a little quick introduction on my 1987 Monte Carlo. I'm gonna let y'all know a few things I changed on it. First thing I changed was the radiator, so when I started up, it just automatic crank up. I also put this high output alternator chrome by Power Stop. I did that myself. I also changed the carburetor. I got a 750 Brawler carburetor. It's more of a street carburetor. It had a Demon carburetor on there for like drag, for the strip and all that, but I wanted a little bit more street, you know. Also, I had a manual shift kit on there, so I transferred that to automatic. I just want to hop in there and go, you know. I don't feel like all that shifting and all that. I also had a fuel cell in the trunk. Let me pop the trunk for y'all right there. And I still got all the old stuff. Everything I took off, I still got it. I had a fuel cell in the trunk, and I just put a regular gas tank in it. You know, I got the battery in the back, got the 250 shot of nitrous. I'm gonna keep all that in there, you feel me? Just in case somebody try to pull up on side me, you know, and I gotta get down and dirty. I should have started it up for y'all. I know y'all wanna hear how it sounds real fast. You know I can't leave y'all without doing that. See what it do right quick. Y'all like how that sound, you heard? Strong man right there. I ain't gonna give y'all too much, you feel me? But make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. 454 Savage with 2 E's.